Nothing really.
Got anything planned today?
No.
Well, I'm off to work.
See you later, sweetheart.
Oh no. What's that noise? What? Oh well.
What's the noise? Shaniqua! No! No! It's a very sad death by noise. Very tragic.
If I would have heard it coming, I'd have told her goodbye.
I know how you feel. Here, I always carry a giant wad of paper towels with me.
Thank you.
I know the feeling. Know how it feels. I lost my son to electronic noise. It's not very cool. But I've been researching technology to find out this phenomenon.
Well, what's your address?
Well, I always carry a piece of paper with my address on it, just in case I have to give it out to somebody. What the fuck? Oh,
Hi, how are you doing today?
glad you decided to come by.
Yes, me too.
Come on, why don't you come
Thank
in?
you.
Thank you.
This looks like my house.
Sorry, it's a little messy around here.
That's all right. I see you already had supper.
Yes, indeed. Why don't you have a seat and I'll explain my technology to you.
Sure.
Now, the dead send me messages.
What do you mean exactly?
Let me I'll show you here. Is this your wife?
It is. How did you get this?
Well, as I said before, the dead send me messages.
What do you mean the dead send you messages?
Through my computer, they send messages.
That doesn't sound.
Here's one right here. What's up, dog? I need to talk to you.
Who sent you that?
Never mind, it's not important. I'll talk to him later. But what is important is they also send me electronic videos.
What?
They don't make sense at all, but here's one. This may shock you.
Oh my God!
What was that? I don't know. It was a message sent to me from the dead. I don't fully understand it, and I never will.
I thought you brought me here to show me something about my wife.
Well, I may not understand the technology, but what I do understand is that the dead just want my help.
What?
what I was going to tell you about your wife is that
Are you okay? He's dead. I need to pick up where he left off and find out what my wife is trying to tell me. Looks like he was working here. Oh, yeah. Looks like I need a flashlight. Aha! I gotta find out what my wife's trying to tell me. That must be my wife. Hello?
Hey John, I'm just calling to tell you I'm okay.
Oh, I'm glad to know that.